Kanti yini le ngaka lena eseniyikhulumile ku-coach Bruce ukuthi indodana yakhe angayibizi this time? Nikomoba kuyakho ku-preliminary squad. Hhayi kwazi. Khona le niyenzile madoda. Ngixabanisa ubaba nendodana. Izikhandbi nyala. Mara maybe he's injured or there's another unforeseen reason. But asikho lapho kakhulu. Still talking about the coaches. Yeah, we're gonna dive into Kaizer Chiefs problems, especially in the coaching department. Our former coach Nasreddin Nabi and our players Shinga and Chislet, about why are they not getting game time, and talk about how we play, because it is important so that you can know why is it that we are playing the way we are playing, why there isn't any form of improvement. But let's get into it. Sanbonane, welcome to Sport Zegama Lambongi Nkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload you get to be notified. Danko, ngamangali ivoice yami namhlanje iphansi, ngiphethe lo mkhuhlane nje, ngiyayigulela, but kwamele ngikhulume lokho engizokusho. So the question here is, are our assistant coaches still using Nasreddin Nabi's system, or they are applying their own? Because remember Guti, we've been crying about the fact that our team isn't creative enough. That's why this season we are lacking in terms of chances creation. But another thing we have to understand, do we have the right players that have that playing personnel that would allow us to be more creative going forward? Because that's another thing that we have to put into consideration before we make any judgments. Because if you look at our midfield, especially yesterday, our assistant coaches implemented a new formation, a formation of a 3-4-3, whereby we defend with 3 center backs, 4 midfielders, and 3 forwards. So yesterday we saw ourselves drawing with Marumo Gallants 1-1, of which we could have won if Sereno converted that penalty, but it's a story for another day. But one thing we have to focus on, in that middle of the park yesterday, we have 2 defensive-minded players. Yes, Uspesi Hlendlov is a number 8, Ox is a DM, but Izolo, we saw it was going to be difficult for us to create chances going forward, because even Sereno yesterday was not deployed as a midfielder, but was playing as a winger, whereby he was partnering with Utopris and Omayo, so that you can use that speed and intelligence going forward. But in that middle of the park, I don't think we do have the right personnel type of players that will give us what we want in terms of chances creation. I've looked at all our midfielders, and I will find it difficult to install that player that is going to give us those consistent performances when it comes to playing that midfield role. Especially, we know what we usually had a traditional of 3 midfielders, a DM, a central midfielder, and an attacking midfielder. But yesterday we had 2. But that's not the case. But we have to focus on the fact that even if we use a traditional midfield, in the number 8, we need someone that will be able to control the game for us. And so far, it hasn't happened. That's why we find ourselves we start games well, but when the game progresses, we find it difficult to be in full control of the game, because we now get too overexcited for the fact that we want to score or we are leading, and then we start making mistakes that cost us, especially from that middle of the park, because we may have a DM that is supposed to cut play of the opponents, make sure that he intercepts, brings stability, but we need someone that is going to be a controller in that middle of the park. I've seen Kele try so, but Kele most of the time this season especially, I don't know, is it a lack of game time or he has dropped the standard, so that he's no longer performing like the Kele that we used to appreciate Magafika and Naturena, because Utole a team in Tenga, so he had to bring that spark in that midfield. But now it is difficult, because it's rare for him to find him playing the kind of football that is going to allow us to progress the ball more, because even him himself, when he gets the ball, it's either he recycles it in such a way that he goes sideways, or he try to do back passes so that he can find it more as a way of trying to be playing it safe than trying ukuthi ayenze izinto ezi-impossible, because we won't see him abreak amafastera, pull ama-window with passes. You won't see him trying ukuthi, okay, let me try and add numbers going forward to help the team so that we can try to unlock the defense. You won't see him trying with calm the game down, whereby when the tempo is high, so that we can start to regroup and try with, okay, let's find a way so that we can play the type of football that is going to unlock the defense, especially if they've deployed a low block. But he find it difficult to do so, because nowadays he can even lose the ball cheaply, because he's no longer that confident enough to keep the ball so that he can give us enough chance and enough time so that we can be able to position ourselves in the opponent's half, so that we can be able to find those deadly spaces whereby we can try to attack using enough spaces, play between the lines, the strikers find pockets. But now we find it difficult. Even our attacking midfielder, they are not that smart enough so that they can be able to create something out of nothing, whereby they're gonna use individual brilliance so that we can be able to penetrate at the defense, be able to entice the defense to us. The way we can see players like Abumbule, Umasonganye, or Mshishi trying by all means to use their individual brilliance so that they can be able to unlock a defense. But we find it difficult for us, because that middle that we have isn't that, they don't have that chemistry that will allow us to be more effective when it comes to chances creation, especially this season, because now we find it difficult to connect, because once we cross, we jump the center line, it becomes a problem for us to come up with a solution on how we'll try with at least to penetrate the defense, not unless we try to go wide. But it becomes a problem, because even our cutbacks are not accurate, our crosses are not accurate, sometimes we don't cross. And one thing that makes us to find it difficult to create many chances is that everyone now is playing for himself. You can see you are in a position whereby you can shoot, but you force your way, while there are teammates that are in a better position. We see with the Ama players like Abolilepo, now they just shoot for fun. And that is not it, because Jongaba Asbega ama top assisters go Premier League. Go Betway. We have Ukeletu Makalo, Tashrik Matthews with 4 assists alone, with Mahopa and Umaduna 3 Lapena. Those are the top 4. Those players, they are not assisting for the fact they don't have chances of scoring, but they do so because they believe as a team we have to work together in order to achieve a particular goal of winning a match. It's not about who is scoring, but it's all about us winning. That's why you find Abu Reinas shining, you find Abu Mahlambi shining, you find Abu Mabas, Abu Police shining. It is because those players, they understand good. If I pass my teammate to score, it means we find a better chance. We are in a better chance for us winning the game. But to us, everyone wants to be in the spotlight, and that thing is going to cause our team to drop in terms of performance, because we are not in the same wavelength in trying to achieve one goal. That's why we say when we play, when we start good, but when the match advances, it becomes difficult for us, because even our strikers will find it difficult because there's no feed, number one. Does it mean good as creativity meliphume from the attacking midfield? But an assist means good we are playmaking. Mahopa is not a midfielder, but he has 3 assists. Maduna is a central midfield. Matthews is a left winger, but we can see good now as there's no repetition of those things, because masifika phambili we ibanzi team. But I don't know but I think we have to find the right personnel, or maybe we must change the system that we are using. Maybe it is too much for our players, but it will be difficult because the coaches won't just change anything just for the fact the ones that they are using is not working, because it needs time so that it can get in the players. But now if you rush it, it's going also to make it difficult for us ukuthi sithola ama-results as soon as possible. But I don't know ukuthi nina ngicabanga kanjani. Let's move to indaba ka-Coach Nasreddin Nabi. Coach Nasreddin Nabi bathi rumors say, according to SoccerBeat, it's him and Coach Benny McCarthy that are eyeing that head coach position lapha ku-Simba SC after uFatlhie Davids left it for him to go to Raja Casablanca in Morocco. So obviously there were rumors. I don't know what it was true. Good, he wanted to live with his technical team, but it needs to be confirmed first. I don't know what it is true. As I'm saying, good, I don't know. So kushobona ukuthi when time goes by, we'll then realize with it wasn't a matter of a coaching, but we have to look at how the players also apply themselves, because we can see now from their body language they are no longer that those players that started with the high confidence. Bit by bit the level of confidence is dropping, the performances are dropping. So we have to understand that with even our coaches, our former assistant coaches will try by all means to make it work, but they will find it difficult if mentally the players are not locked in. So it's going to be a difficult journey for them, because I've tried to look at their profiles, but both of them, they haven't even by any chance been head coaches for any big club. Most of their careers, they are assistants or they are head coaches in the junior ranks. But going to the senior team, I haven't, not unless I didn't do a proper research. But for what I've managed to guard, they haven't. So they are going to find it difficult. That's why the pressure from being a head coach is different from being an assistant, because everything, all the responsibilities on your shoulders. So if the team doesn't do well, we have to look at you. But if the team is not doing well as an assistant, obvious, we have to look at the coach. So that's why everything will then be clear after a few games. Is it really working or it won't work as we thought? Because we're complaining Nabi was chopping and changing lineups, but while Nabi was not around, we played 3 games, and in those 3 match days, they changed 3 lineups. But because Nabi came back and there was a change in lineups, that's when we started to realize and notice with Norman we have been changing. Because match day 1, we started to Hlongwane, Ungobo, but match day 2, they were not there. Match day 3, another foot, we changed. So we can see we had that hate towards Nabi, because Abundaba Konjo were subjecting that to us ukuthi sikwazi ukucabana no coach, so that izinto zethu iqala ukubhedlika, because they saw ukuthi we worked so hard ukuthi sifike la sikhona. But I don't know ukuthi what do you think bafethu. And also indaba kaShinga no Chislet, coach did say ukuthi uzothi isikhathi mase right, he will introduce them, but okwamanje they are still working towards ukuthi baba integrate. But I think the reasons might be 2. It might be because of the fitness levels, or they are finding it difficult to gel with the team, to adapt to how we play, even though we saw Shinga on that Toyota Cup. But I don't know, is it because they are not good enough, or they are still trying ukuthi baba figure say to the level that they want ukuthi bazokwazi ukuperforma? Because Shinga once said, no, the standard of Portugal na say South Africa is not that huge gap ekhona, but we can say with also here we do have we apply high intensity when it comes to playing. But I think Portugal, the difference will be the fact that they are more focused on the tactical part compared to the technical one. That's why we see the European teams whereby you can watch a Premier League team and you will see a game finishing 5-4. That's when you say, okay, now it was a battle of who was tactical superior than the other in those 2 games. But in Apemzant, sometimes we mix it with flair, individual brilliance most of the time. Yeah, but we don't make players to be like robots when we play. We have to be selective. These are the spaces you have to go to. These are the spaces you don't have to go to. But it's things like that. I don't know what do you think, Wafetu. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Please, ngakhohlwa ke bafethu ukuthi I love you. Tango.